Let me show you how we can enable 120Hz display refresh rate on the Motorola Signature. So we're gonna go to settings, then in settings find display, there we go, and in here look for display refresh rate. Now in this place we should be able to find a couple of different options. Essentially, if you want to use 120Hz, you want to choose either Smart and Balanced or Hyper Smooth. Hyper Smooth allows you to use 120Hz all the time, but if you choose Smart and Balanced, you can use 120Hz as well. But if there is a higher power consumption, then the phone can reduce the refresh rate to 60Hz in order to save the battery, and then the phone can switch back. And over here we can also read that when playing a game time, so the game turbo in Motorola, overrides this setting, allowing for a 165Hz display refresh rate. So you cannot use 165 all the time, but you can use that amount of hertz when playing a game. Leave a like and subscribe.